guys? Stroll354 here, bringing you another video today. Today's the day. We're shooting for 12s today. If you didn't follow, we just put a cam in this thing. It was a 228, 238 FRP Tomahawk. Just threw the cam in, and we're gonna head to the track today because I'm shooting for 12s. It's the beginning of November, so I've only got 2 chances left for this weekend and next weekend. 2 opportunities to go, and I'm like, screw it. We're gonna hit the track. The truck's running good, and we're gonna see if we can hit 12s. I don't know how confident I am because it's got to pick up 8/10s technically, because it ran 13.7. So to get into the 12s, it's got to hit a 12.9. So it's technically got to pick up 8/10s. We'll see. It's not impossible, but it's a nice day out. It's 59 degrees and sunny. So comfortable weather for us and good weather for the truck. So we'll see how it does. All right, guys, we are here at Lapeer for a Sunday. It's actually a pretty damn good turnout. Really busy. Got the truck prepped on the 17s, weight pulled, tailgate pulled, rear seat pulled, air filter pulled, and cammed. So just kind of sitting here waiting and staging. I'm excited. I don't think it was a 12, but we're about to find out here. Thank you. Yep. $13.5. Wow, that's not fast at all. But we'll do another one. Okay, so 13.5. I still had a slower 60-foot even. I kind of want to go through this and see if I can see anything. Let's see.
What are you looking at?
I don't know, I'm just kind of looking at AFR's dipped into the 11s.
That's a little rich.
I wonder if that air filter's messing it up.
I'd throw it back in and try it again.
I think I am.
Yeah, that was 13. Oh no, I can't actually. Wow, you can't on that.
So that's not a good pass. I mean, it was a PR, but it
never mind, you can start it if you want.
13.5 was it. I'll show you that in a second. I think what was hurting was I usually always pull the air filter, and I did it this time just kind of out of habit.
Oh,
and
I like that.
Last video, you guys know I talked about how I had to swap throttle bodies because my throttle body was causing it to surge real bad, and I think it was getting too much airflow. And when I pulled the air filter, when I was in drive and I was going to the staging lanes, the thing was bucking and surging. So I'm kind of wondering if that didn't help running down the track at all. Threw the air filter back in. My intake temps were also at like 124 to start, and it's only like 50 degrees out. I mean, I know it's gonna be hotter because it's under the motor and stuff, under the hood, but it should not have been 124. 124 degrees, so we're gonna, something ain't right. Okay, here goes Mark. All right, we'll let the intake temps come down a little bit, through the air filter in. We're gonna go ahead and
go for it.
Make a run. sure if that felt any better or not. We're about to find out. Intake temps are a lot better though right now. Like even now they're only at 88. When I crossed the line it was like 97 last time, and I started at like 124, and I started this time at like 95, so I really hope that helped a lot. I know it ain't gonna be a 12, I know that for a fact, but I'm hoping to at least see like 13.2, 13.3, that way I know that intake manifold, that should definitely help a lot. Thank you. 13.4, okay, it's better. Still a little bit of a slower 60 foot, but better, and better mile an hour too. A lot better mile an hour. 98 mile an hour, 13.4 to the quarter, 8.5 to the eighth, 1.84 to the 60. That's still slower than I'd like it to be, but it's getting somewhere. All right, see, maybe you guys can see it on this better.
Yeah, that was a lot. It left better.
It was better, yeah. I'm gonna get in line real quick.
Leave it on the converter and see what it does.
Yeah, I'll leave it on the
Even
converter.
if it's not your fastest because you're hot, it's worth a shot.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave in the converter this time.
You're gonna.
Well, that was better. 13.4. I'm gonna stall it this time. I'm gonna launch off the converter and see how it does. Back to my 1.8 60 foots, which I'm happy about. It should be faster. It should be 1.7.
Well, if you leave on the converter now too, your truck's making more power at that point than it was before.
Yeah. Tried stalling it up, and I don't know if I didn't have enough vacuum built or something, but it just pushed right through the brakes when I was trying to stall it. I really don't think I had enough vacuum or something, but so that's why I almost red lit, but I didn't. I was still on the stage, so that was nice. But it actually launched. It launched really well. So it felt really good. If it felt good, it's got to be good on paper, but we'll see. 13.5. 1.960. That launch really messed me up. Something can't be right. That was again at like, I was launching about 120 intake temp. So I think I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, a good while, and then go back and run it again. And let her stall up real good right there, and she launched pretty good. I hope that helped. Well, not any better. 13.4, 8. I don't know what's going on. I mean, I guess this is, unless this is maxed out for it, but this cam should be better than 3/10, 4/10, but we'll send these logs to him. We'll send these logs to him and see what he thinks. That's why you go to the track, though. Yep. Something's not right there. It's making more power, but it's still slow down low.
I think it should be faster than that. Considering you should be making at least 50 horse more. I think it should be quicker.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Real quick here, I want to explain. I'm not making this my excuse because I guess I don't know for sure if this was the problem. That week we went racing, like the video you just saw. A couple days before that, I filled the truck up at a gas station, and that night I filled it up. I took it out to my buddy's house and gave everyone rides, and it didn't feel the same. It didn't feel like it pulled as hard. It didn't feel as fast. It didn't feel as strong. And it was the same tank of gas then on racing it. And racing it, I was very disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. Like 13.5, 13.4, I only gained 3/10 with that cam. Did not feel that great about it. I started talking to some people, and 3 other buddies filled up at gas stations that week, and their stuff was not running good either. Their stuff was feeling doggy. I was talking to the guy who helped me out with this. He's like, I had cars come in that were spark knocking for no reason. They were misfiring, and I kind of thought, and then everyone kind of came to the conclusion that the beginning of November up here in Michigan, they switched to winterized fuel. So I'm hoping the problem was the winterized fuel and the different additives and just got a bad case of gas, because not only was it the same tank we ran on, you know, for the track, but then like I went and got gas at a different place after that and took it out. We threw a different refresh tune in it just to make sure too. But even before we put the new tune in, thing ripped again. It felt great, it launched great, and it kind of sucked that the last race of the year and the last, you know, I just cammed it, wanted to take it to the track for the end of the year, and I had bad gas. I'm hoping that was the issue, because I've put different gas in it at different stations for the next week after that race, and it felt great again. It was ripping and pulling hard, so hoping that was the issue. We'll find out next year, so stay tuned. Got a couple things to do this winter, and got some more content for you. Definitely gonna keep up with the content with like racing. Got another racing video for you. Got some things to do to the truck, definitely isn't the end here. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.